Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I will be showing you the most foolproof cake ever. It's so easy. Here are the ingredients. 125 grams of butter, plain flour, baking soda and baking powder, granulated sugar, or you can use caster sugar, and 2 eggs. First, we are going to beat the butter and eggs. Then add the sugar. Whisk it until it has a creamy consistency. Next, sift 120 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk until it's smooth with no lumps. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pineapple extract, however you can add any extract of your choice. Here I have 2 4-inch baking tins already greased around the sides and placed baking paper inside. I'm going to evenly distribute the batter in both tins. Tap the tins to remove any air bubbles. The cakes have now cooled for 4 hours and now I'll detach them from their tins. Do this carefully. Evenly slice the cake in half to create layers. As you can see, the cakes are really spongy and soft. For the fresh cream filling, I'm going to whip half a cup of fresh double cream. This is easily available in any supermarket. When the cream forms soft peaks, add in your choice of extract and whip again until it forms stiffer peaks. I've used pineapple extract again, however you can use any extract of your choice. I've slightly over whipped this, but it should be okay, it's not too bad. I'm adding milk onto the cake layers to further soften it before I layer the fresh cream. We're giving the cake a partially naked effect, hence it's not fully covered in fresh cream. is chocolate ganache, which I prepared earlier. Comment below if you want me to post the recipe. Once this chocolate ganache sets, it will give you a mirror-like glaze effect. It's really glossy, it's really shiny, as you can see the light's reflection. When you evenly spread it out, make sure to do it carefully, because when we drip the cake, it shouldn't fall all over the cake, and it should create nice drips. I've created thick drips here, but you can create thin ones or however you wish. Finally, we're going to garnish the cake with strawberries. You can add any fruit of your choice.